All right, I want to tell you the pros and cons of this vacuum cleaner. This is the Vacmaster. This is the 5-gallon, 3 horsepower shop vac. Things I liked about it: very easy to assemble. It does have wheels on it, which I like. Makes it easy to maneuver around. You can use it for both dry and wet messes. Now the thing about it is, if you're going to use it for the wet, they encourage you to put this filter on there. It comes set up for dry. It does come with some attachments. It comes with 3 different straight nozzles to give you more extension if you want to do that. Like a brush attachment for furniture. Comes with a larger brush attachment you could use for floors. But the main thing I want to know is, hey, how well does it perform? So I've been putting it to the test here. Overall, it's not that large of a tube, which I would actually consider that a positive. For me, personally, want to use this a lot of times for cleaning out cars. And I have a larger model of a different brand, and the nozzle is so big on it that it makes it hard to fit down in those tight spaces. So I don't mind this at all being a little bit more narrow of a nozzle, because overall it has pretty good suction. But I want to just show you on the video what kind of suction it has. Let's turn it on. Overall impressed with the power that this one does have. The main negative I would give this one is the power cord is about 8 feet long, I'm going to estimate. So extension cord may be helpful. I do like attachments you can store on top of the machine, which is great. If you're looking for one that will clean dry and wet problems and pretty good power with a 5-gallon capacity, then this is one to consider.